Good afternoon, everyone. In this video, we're going to look at the second part of paragraph 6.3. And in the second part of that paragraph, we're going to look at a new type of diagram. And to look at it, we're going to use this data. So this is basically the amount of apps that every single one of you has on his or her phone. These are called stem and leaf diagrams. This is not a stem and leaf diagram yet. We're going to make one using this data. And hopefully, if you know how to make one, it's also a lot easier to use one. That's basically why we're doing this video. Okay, so if we want to make a stem and leaf diagram, we're looking at all of these numbers, and most of these are somewhat close together. And to do that, we have numbers that start with a 1, numbers that start with a 2, with a 3, with a 4, and with a 5. So we're going to make two groups. Using tens, and we're using the following tens: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, then we're also using units. And we're going to try to write all of these numbers in this stem and leaf diagram. The first one, 19, consists out of a 1 and a 9. So basically, this 19, this 9 over here. We're going to do the same thing for the next 4 numbers. So 22. Then we write out the 2. What are we going to do with this 24? We're going to write all of these 4 numbers on this row. So first a 2, then a 4, and then a 7. And right now there are only 3 numbers and not 4, which means I have to add another 7. Why? Because we have 2 times 27. So just to be sure, these 4 numbers are basically these 4 numbers. And how do you read them? 22, 24, 27, 27. Let's continue with our numbers. Let's start with a 3. 31, 30, 34, 36, 36 again, so we have to write down 2 6s, and 38. Let's continue that. But now for the numbers that start with the 4. 40. What do you have to write down for the units? Because there are no units. 0. Because this is 40. Then 41. 41 again, 47, and 48. Okay, let's continue with 51, 51 again, and 52. So how many different of which numbers are there? There's 19, 22, 24, 31, 40, 51, 51, 52. Then we're going to take out our protected triangle. Did I actually lose it? That would be very unfortunate. Let's do it without one. Of course, you're going to use your protected triangle. I'm going to draw this line over here. To draw a line over there. And in the last video, I think I forgot a title. In this video, I won't forget that. So the amount of apps on your phone in B2N. Hopefully by now you know how to make one of these. Keep in mind, these numbers down here are very important. So, for example, if you're working with test marks, you're working with numbers like 6.4, 7.2, and so on. And then this changes, because then, let's make a really small one, 7.5. Then you would have a stem and leaf diagram consisting out of units and decimals on the bottom. So we have two different units. We have 6 and 7, 7.4, 6.4, sorry, 7.2, 7.5. So these are decimals. And it's important to know that these numbers down here, these words down here are different. And that's how you can also use different numbers. Good luck.